Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share the basic information to set up your Netgear Nighthawk router with Xfinity modem or gateway. Let's start. To start the setup process, you need to power on the Xfinity modem or Nighthawk router. Connect one end of the Ethernet port in the Nighthawk router's yellow port and another into the Xfinity modem. You can also connect the router with the internet cable, if you don't have any Xfinity modem. Wait for around 2 minutes to start the devices. If you have an Xfinity connection, then you can use the Xfinity app to activate Netgear cable modems and routers. Launch the Xfinity app. Tap the account icon in the top left of your screen. Under the Devices section, tap Activate Xfinity Gateway or Modem. Tap your own modem. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete activation. Confirm that your Netgear device shows online on the Xfinity app dashboard. Now, connect your mobile device to Netgear Nighthawk router's Wi-Fi network. Check the Netgear Nighthawk router label for your router's Wi-Fi network name and network key. Open the Nighthawk app on your mobile phone. Follow the on-screen instructions in the Nighthawk app to install your Netgear Nighthawk router and connect to the Xfinity. If you are facing any issue to set up your Netgear Nighthawk router with Xfinity, then you can reach us. We will provide the help to complete the installation. Thanks for watching.